Welcome to this channel, the best place to find inspiration for aesthetic garden, fence, and yard designs on a budget. In this video, we'll discuss simple garden designs that look expensive, ideas that can transform the appearance of your front yard into a more elegant one without breaking the bank. With a simple concept, the right choice of elements, and a little creativity, you can create a front garden that looks luxurious, neat, and certainly captivating from the first glance. Welcome back to the channel, where we turn everyday outdoor spaces into stunning garden escapes. In today's video, we're diving into simple garden designs that look expensive but are surprisingly budget-friendly. Whether you have a small front yard or a modest outdoor space, these ideas will help you achieve a luxurious look using smart design choices, affordable materials, and creative styling techniques that maximize visual impact. Your front yard is the first thing people notice about your home, and a well-designed space instantly adds value and charm. Even with a limited budget, you can create a polished and high-end appearance. By focusing on clean layouts, intentional plant choices, and cohesive styling, your garden can feel like a professionally designed landscape without the expensive price tag. One of the easiest ways to make a garden look expensive is by using clean, structured lines. Defined edges, straight pathways, and symmetrical layouts create a sense of order and elegance. Simple edging materials like bricks, stones, or even painted borders can instantly elevate your front yard and give it a modern, designer-inspired feel. Instead of overcrowding your garden with too many plant types, choose a few varieties and repeat them throughout the space. This minimalist approach creates visual harmony and makes your yard feel curated. Green shrubs, ornamental grasses, and a few flowering plants can create a balanced, upscale look when arranged thoughtfully. A well-designed pathway can instantly transform your front yard. Use stepping stones, gravel, or concrete slabs to create a walkway that leads to your entrance. Spacing the stones evenly and adding small plants along the edges creates a high-end aesthetic that feels both inviting and intentional. Professional gardens often use layers to create depth, and you can achieve this effect easily. Place taller plants at the back, medium-sized plants in the middle, and smaller ones in front. This layering technique adds richness to your garden design and makes even a small space feel more dynamic and luxurious. Mulch is one of the most affordable ways to upgrade your garden instantly. It not only helps retain moisture and reduce weeds, but also creates a neat, finished appearance. Dark-colored mulch, in particular, contrasts beautifully with green plants, giving your yard a refined and professional look. Borders help define spaces and add structure to your garden. Use inexpensive materials like wood, stones, or recycled bricks to outline your flower beds and pathways. A well-framed garden looks intentional and organized, which is a key element of high-end outdoor design. Adding vertical elements like trellises, garden arches, or simple wooden frames can dramatically enhance your yard. Climbing plants like ivy or flowering vines can grow along these structures, creating height and elegance without taking up much space. Symmetry is often used in luxury garden designs because it creates a sense of balance and harmony. Place matching plants, pots, or decorations on either side of your entrance or pathway. This simple trick instantly makes your front yard feel more structured and visually appealing. Outdoor lighting can completely transform your garden, especially at night. Solar-powered lights are an affordable option that adds warmth and ambience. Line your pathways or highlight key plants to create a soft glow that enhances the overall elegance of your yard. Even the simplest plants can look high-end when placed in stylish containers. Choose neutral-colored pots or paint old containers in black, white, or earthy tones. Grouping pots in different sizes adds dimension and gives your garden a curated, designer look. Gravel is an excellent material for creating sleek and modern garden spaces. It's affordable, easy to install, and requires minimal maintenance. Pair gravel with a few statement plants and clean borders to achieve a contemporary garden design that looks effortlessly expensive. Every beautiful garden has a focal point. It could be a small fountain, a decorative bench, or a unique plant arrangement. Choose one standout feature that draws the eye and build your design around it. This creates a sense of purpose and sophistication in your yard. You don't need to spend a lot to create beautiful garden features. DIY projects like painted stones, wooden signs, or handmade planters can add personality and charm. These custom elements make your garden feel unique while keeping costs low. A well-maintained garden always looks more expensive than it actually is. Regular trimming, cleaning pathways, and removing weeds keep your space looking fresh and polished. Consistency in maintenance is what truly elevates a simple garden into something spectacular. Switching out plants or adding seasonal decorations can keep your garden looking new and exciting. Incorporate flowers that bloom in different seasons or add small decorative touches that reflect the time of year. This keeps your front yard dynamic and visually engaging. Transforming your front yard into a beautiful, expensive-looking garden doesn't require a huge budget, just thoughtful design and creative ideas. By focusing on simplicity, structure, and smart styling, you can achieve a high-end look that reflects your personal taste. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your outdoor space become a stunning first impression that truly stands out.